Next page number 46, 47. We'll start with 51. चलो कुठं जायचं आपल्याला तर ओके हियर ओके ओके right probability right consider and
स्क्रीन नाही दिसत आहे.
oh sorry स्क्रीन का दिसत नहीं है hope it is visible now. Okay, write with me. Consider an experiment of tossing 2 coins simultaneously. Okay. Sample space means all the expected outcomes. Sample space is okay. What is the sample space? What are the possibilities? Both are head, one head and other tail. First is tail, other is head, and tail. These are the sample space. Okay. So question is probability of getting 2 heads. Yes. How to find this? What are the favorable outcomes? Absolutely. How many favorable outcomes are there? Only one. But how many total outcomes are there? How many outcomes are there in sample space? 4.
4.
I think you understand this. Probability of getting at least one head. Yes. At least one head means minimum one head. So one head or 2 head. So these are the favorable events. 2 heads, 1 head, 1 head. This cannot be considered. I think you are getting it. So 3 are favorable. Out of how many? 4. Okay. So in this way, we have to find the probability. I think you know all these things very well. Okay. Next, second example. Consider an experiment of tossing 2 dice. Yes, what are the outcomes? 1 1. Okay. 1 2.
1 2 1
1
3 1
3.
4
Absolutely. 1 4.
1 5 1
Okay.
6.
That is on first die we are getting 1, on second die also we are getting 1. On first die we are getting 1, on second die we are getting 6. 1 6. Okay, and so on. 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1. Remaining are there, huh? I have not written them. You understand them. Last is 6 1, 6 2, and so on. Last will be 6 6.
6 6.
Absolutely. Okay. Now question may be probability of sum more than 6. Yes. What are the favorable outcomes? Total are 36, right? Total outcomes are 36. See, 6 rows and 6 columns. 6 into 6, 36. Okay. Now, but how many are favorable? In how many cases we get sum more than 6? What is the meaning of more than 6? 6 is included or not?
Not included.
6 is not included. So we want sum equal to 7. So when it is possible that sum is 7, 1 6. Okay, when it is possible 2 5, When it is possible, 3 4. When it is possible, 4 3. When it is possible, 5 2. When it is possible, 6 1. Right? 7. What are possibilities of getting 8? There is nothing 1 7. Huh? So we may get 3 5.
2 6.
2 6. We should start with 2 6 in fact. 2 6. Okay, then 4. 4 kitne? 4 4.
4 4.
Okay, absolutely. Then
5
5
3.
3. Okay, then
6 2.
6 2. Okay. What is possibility of getting 9 3 6? 4 5?
5 4
Absolutely. 5
5
4
4.
6 3.
6
6
3.
3
Acha, then I have less space. Then what are possibilities of getting 10
5 5. 6 4.
4
6 4
6
4 6? Possibility of getting 11
5 6.
5 6
and 6
6
5.
5
6 5.
Possibility of getting 12
6
6
6
6.
6
So
6.
count them 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. This is 4. This is 3. Just count them. किती झाले?
स्क्रीन नाही दिसत आहे मला.
अच्छा,
पूर्ण.
पूर्ण दिसत नाही.
21.
21. 21 divided by 36. This is the answer. And can we simplify this? Yes. 7 by 12 is the answer. समजते है सर्वांना? I think you studied all these things in 11th only. Okay, so you
Yes.
know the concept of probability very well. Okay, then whenever independent events are there, then there is a multiplication of probability. Write this. Independent event. For independent events, probability equal to multiplication of probability of each event. Okay, what else we should know? I think that's it. We'll start with the examples. Right on, examples. From example, many things will be clear. Right on. 1. A can hit a target 1 out of 4 times. B can hit the target 2 out of 3 times. And C can hit the target 3 out of 4 times. Right. Find the probability that target is not hit. Target is hit. Targeted is hit by exactly 1. target is hitted by at least 2. Okay, is that done? Solution. Suppose P of A, P of B, P of C are probabilities that target is hitted. Is hitted by A, B, C respectively. And P of A bar, P of B bar, and P of C bar probabilities that target is not hitted. By A, B, C. So what is probability that A hits the target? Anyone? What is probability that A hits the target? It is given here. A can hit the target how many times? 1 out of 4.
1 time.
1 by 4, na? Now it
Yes,
is
sir.
probability that A will not hit the target. It is independent of B and C. 1 minus 1 upon 4. Why 1? 1 is the maximum probability. So 3 by 4. What is probability that B will hit the target? 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
What is probability that B will not hit the target? 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Yes. Probability that C will hit the target? 3 by 4. C will not hit the target? 1 by 4. Okay, now we'll solve the example one by one. Start with the A part. Next page. Okay, so start with the A part. Probability that target is not hitted equal to probability that target is not hitted by A, B, and C. So probability that A not able to hit the target. So you might be understanding the problem. So A will get the first chance, B will get the second chance, and C will get the third chance. So what is probability that A will not hit the target? P of A bar. B will not hit the target? P of B bar. C will not hit the target? P of C bar. And the values are known to us: 3 by 4, 1 by 3, and 1 by 4. So 1 by 16. 1 by 16 is the probability that target is not hit. A, not B. Target is hit. Probability that target is hit. It may be hit by A, may be hit by B, or may be hit by C. 1 minus probability that target is not hit. We have to find it in this way. This is the probability that target will be hit. Any doubt in B part? Any doubt in B part?
sir.
B में कोई doubt है?
No, sir.
Okay. Then next, C part. Probability that target is hit by exactly 1. Now understand, huh? So suppose A get the chance. He is able to hit the target. Now what about B and C? Exactly 1 is required, na? So B and C should not be able to hit the target. Right? Plus, now suppose second chance is there. Now A get the chance and A is not able to hit the target. But B is able to hit the target. By default, C should not be able to hit the target, since we want exactly 1 therefore. Now A is not able to hit, B is not able to hit, but C able to hit the target. Okay, so what are the probabilities? Probability of A hitting the target 1 upon 4. A not hit the target, B hit the target, C is not able to hit the target, A is not able, B is not able, C is able. Hope you are getting this. Any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
Okay, great. So next.
Sir,
Yes, go ahead.
सर लाईट जाणार
काय होणार?
जर कोलचं प्रोडक्शन थांबलं की लाईट जाणार
नाही, काहीतरी उपाय करतात अशा वेळी. कारण असं आपण इट इज सीन दॅट फॉर द लास्ट 3-4 years every October we have faced this problem. Okay, so there may be power cut off for some time, but again this problem will be resolved. And if you want long term solution, there are 3-4 options. Okay, as a civil engineer you can search it. One is we should go for the nuclear energy, since hydel power, again part of the civil engineering, very important part for the as a civil engineer. Hydel power production is around 15 to 20% in India, and that cannot be increased now. Now we cannot construct big dams, which is not possible. Okay. So second, around 70 to 80% of the electricity comes from the at this moment in India, it comes from the coal, okay, thermal power plant. So that should be decreased. And around 4% electricity is generated from the nuclear power plants. That should be increased. If you take the example of France, around 50% of electricity is generated from the nuclear power plant. You can take example of Japan also. Okay, so that should be increased considering all the environmental and safety issues. Okay, one part. Second, I think India had started the solar mission, right? Narendra Modi, when he was in UN, started the solar mission. So it should be made compulsory for every household to install the solar panel. Those who are constructing new house and new buildings are constructing. So I think soon this will be made compulsory to install the solar panels for both, for the usage of the building electricity as well as the usage of the hot water. For that, it may be made compulsory. Fourth, renewable energy resources should be used, like wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy, and so on. And fourth, which is long-term point which India should consider, we should go for the hydrogen energy, hydrogen fuel. Okay, that should be used as a fuel for the generation of the electricity. These are the few solutions. Okay, you can come out with few more solutions. This may be the topic of your project, maths project. What about maths project? We have first review on the when it will be? It will be on Wednesday. We have first review, of the project. Hope you might have finalized the projects, finalize it, and next Wednesday, I'm saying, 20th, we have first review. Okay. Okay. Let me continue. D. Probability that target is hit by at least 2. Probability that target is hit by at least 2. At least means minimum 2. So it may be 2 or 3. Target is hit by 2 plus probability that, I forget to write this, probability that target is hit by all. Okay, at least 2 means 2 or more than 2. So probability that target is hit by 2, and then probability that target is hit by all 3. So say target is hit by A, B, and C is not able to hit the target. Probability that target is hit by A, not by B, and hit by C. Probability that target is not hit by A, hit by B, hit by C, and last, hit by all. Yes, write these numbers. Hit by A, hit by B, not by C. Hit by A, not by B, hit by C. Next, hit by not by A, by B, by C. Hit by all. (29 by 48). Check your answer. 29 by 48 is the answer. Any doubt in this example? Okay, let me change the page.
No.
Next. Consider a set at least 3. What is the meaning of at least 3? 3 or more than 3. At most 4. What is the meaning of at most 4? Maximum 4. More than 3. What is the meaning of more than 3? 3 is not included. Less than 5. So 5 is not included. Okay? Remember these things. Question number 2. Like box A contains three red and 2 blue marbles. Box B contains two red and 8 blue marbles. A fair coin is tossed if coin shows head, a marble is chosen from box A. If it shows tail, marble is chosen from box B. Find the probability that red marble is chosen. These are other problems. Find the probability that red marble is chosen. एक second. Yes. Anyone? How we can solve the example? Anyone? How we can solve the example? So these are the two boxes. I am audible?
Yes, sir.
These are the two boxes we have. Box A and box B. So red marbles are there and blue marbles are there. How many red are there? 3. 2. We have blue marbles. Okay. Now we have to solve the example. Now see what is done. Coin is tossed. Okay. So if we get head, what is the probability of getting head? 1/2. Then a marble is chosen from the box A. If we get tail, then marble is chosen from the box B. Okay. So we have to find probability of getting red marble. Okay. So like this. See. Understand first. Probability of getting red marble. Okay. Equal to coin is tossed. Okay. Head is obtained. And marble is chosen from box A, or this is one option. Okay. Coin is tossed. Tail is obtained. Jette ka baga, huh? Obtained. And marble is chosen from box B. समझते सर्वना? Marble is chosen from the box B. Now I'll write in this way. Have you written this? Okay, I'll write on the next page. To be written in this way. C equal to, whenever and is there, write this inside. And is converted into multiplication. Or is converted into plus. Okay. So coin is tossed, head is obtained. Okay. So probability of head and is there into probability of red marble from box A. This is for box A. Or plus probability of tail into probability of red marble from box B. So it is like this. Now it is probability of getting head, half. Only two options are there, na? Head or tail. Now probability of getting red marble from box A. How many marbles are there in box A? 5. Out of them, how many are red? How many are favorable? 3. Plus this plus. Probability of tail, half. Probability of red marble from box B. How many marbles are there in box B? 10. Out of them are red, 2. That's it. This is the probability of choosing red marble. That's it. Yes, write it. If you have doubt, you ask me. Connect it with the previous part of the problem. And if you have doubt, let me know. Huh? बोला? Any
आपण
doubt?
कॉम्बिनेशन वापरून केलं तर कसं होईल?
म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल
NC आता 8C4 into NC4 into
हे असं सिंपल
5C3.
एक्झाम्पल कशात नाही आय गॉट युअर क्वेश्चन बट तसं नाही ना एनसीबी काय गरज नाही नाही ते कारण रेड मार्बल म्हटलं की वेदर इट इज फर्स्ट मार्बल सेकंड मार्बल और थर्ड मार्बल डजंट मॅटर ना इट्स रेड ओनली ना and we are able to find the probability in terms of 3/5 2/10 1/2 so why to use NCB okay here it is not required whenever required we'll use it. Next example. Even next. Any doubt here?
No sir.
Okay, great. Chal. Next, third example.
No, sir.
An envelope contains 6 tickets with numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6 ahead. 5, 6, 7. Another envelope contains 4 tickets with number odd numbers and envelope is chosen at random and ticket is drawn from it. And probability that ticket bears the number two parts are there. Two questions are there, A and B. I'll solve one of them here. Second will be homework. So which we have to solve? First one or second one? कौन सा सॉल्व करना बताओ? These are the two envelopes. So now first we have to choose the envelope and then we have to choose the ticket. Okay, so let me solve the A part. So probability that the drawn ticket is of number 2 or 5. Okay. Envelope A is drawn, is taken, and ticket is drawn. The ticket has number 2 or 5. This is one option. Or what is the other option? Envelope B is taken and ticket is drawn. The ticket has number 2 or 5. Okay. What is probability that envelope A is chosen? Half. What is probability that envelope B is chosen? Half. Now, out of the whatever the tickets are there in the envelope A, what are the tickets in envelope A? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. How many are favorable? So how many of the tickets in envelope A bears the number 2 or 5? 2 tickets are there. One ticket is there of 2 number and one more is there of the number 5. So 2 by 6. Okay. Now envelope B contain 4 tickets. How many are favorable? 2 is not there. Okay. But 5 is there. So 1 by 1. That's it. Seven by 24. Okay. B part you have to solve yourself. Please solve the B part yourself. Okay, next problem. Fast, huh? Throda sa fast we संपूर्ण टाकू हे, so that I can start with the binomial distribution tomorrow. Right. Next example. Any doubt? हाँ बोला लवकर. बोल लवकर fast.
सर
बोल ना.
खूप झालं.
नाही 2 एक्झाम्पल घेऊ ना. नाही झालं खूप अजून. 2 एक्झाम्पल घेऊ कारण काय ते 2 एक्झाम्पल साठी परत माझा उद्या अर्धा तास जाईल. म्हणजे आपला अर्धा तास जाईल.
ओके सर.
A is हे interesting example. A is one of the 8 horses.
तर ते बघा काय होतं.
Oh. A is one of the 8 horses entered for a race and it is to be ridden by one of 2 jockeys B and C. It is 2:1 that B rides A, in which case all the horses are हॉर्स स्पेलिंग चुकले ते करून टाका. Horses are equally likely to win and when C rides A's chances are doubled. Okay. Find probability that A wins. Eight horses are there in the race. They are like this. A. What is the name of the next horse? What is the name of the next horse? A are सांगा लवकर.
D.
Ha. So it is not B and C. Don't say B and C. B and C, they are the jockey. Huh? They are not the horses. So say for example A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. These are the 8 horses. Okay. So for A, there are 2 jockeys. B is one jockey who can ride A, and C is another jockey. Right. You might know the story of this Punawala. Might be known to you, na? माहिती ना पुनावाला, पुण्यामध्ये आपण राहतो, पुण्यामध्ये शिकतो फॉर एक्झाम्पल. You know the story of Punawala, no? I think around 30-40 years bankrupt व्हायची वेळ आलेली. Race course in Pune is known to you, those who are staying in Pune or little bit known about the Pune. Towards the Hadapsar race course is there, huh? आणि हे ते स्टड फार्म वगैरे जे सगळं आहे ना ते, ये सब that is owned by this Punawala. Cyrus Punawala might be known to you. The whole world is known about the Cyrus Punawala. So around 30-40 years back, they were bankrupt. Okay, so they were not known what should be done now so that they will able to earn at least some money to survive. Okay, but during that time, one lab was there, pharmaceutical lab was there in Mumbai, who used to take their horses for the testing of vaccines. Okay, so then someone told the Punawala that why we should not have our own institute, and then they started the Serum Institute, and now this is the Serum Institute which is producing the largest amount of COVID vaccines in the world. Okay, so दिन हर एक के बदलते हैं, सिर्फ आपका नजरिया वैसे होना चाहिए और थोड़ा सा काम करना चाहिए. ठीक है, let me continue. So you might have understood the problem. What is probability that B will ride? So let me write the problem. Probability that A wins, okay, equal to probability that B rides A and A wins. Okay. Or what is the other option? Probability that C rides A and A wins. Now tell me what is probability that B rides A, given here. See this part of the problem. This part of the problem. Put again. It is 2:1 that B rides A. 2:1, you understand, na? 2:1. That is, out of 3, 2 times B rides. Okay, so what is probability that B rides? 2/3. Now tell me what is probability that C rides A, remaining part, 1/3. समझते हैं ना, झेपते ना है, right? Now, whenever whenever B rides A, in which case all the horses are equally likely to win. So 8 horses are there. Everyone's probability is same, 1/8. But whenever C rides A, written here, A's chances are doubled. So 1/8 into 2. Doubled, na? So like this. This is the answer. किती येते हे 4/24. So 1/8. 1/8 नहीं 1/6. So A is having more chances to win. Equally likely is 1/8, na? So 1/6 is more than that. Okay, last example. Understood? Any doubt in this example?
Sir,
Yes.
no doubts.
Okay. If any doubt is there, let me know. Last example, interesting example, and then we'll stop. Take 5 minutes. It will take 5 minutes. Okay. Let me write the last example. So let me change the page. Example is like this. A and B, these are the two players, play a game of alternate tossing a coin. They are playing game of tossing a coin. Okay, so what are the possibilities? They may get head or tail. One who gets head first wins the game. Find probability of B winning the game if A starts. Acha, tell me, if A is starting, who is having more probability to win the game? अरे ए ने स्टार्ट किया तो किसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा है? ए विन होने की ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी है या बी होने की ज्यादा है या दोनों की सेम प्रोबेबिलिटी? या दोनों की सेम प्रोबेबिलिटी है?
ए होगा ना?
हाँ. Since, for example, A get the chance, he toss the coin and he get heads, B will not get chance also, A will win. समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं?
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
So okay, different. First understand and then write. Possibilities are क्या क्या possibilities है? A will start the game and then B. Okay, so A ने start किया. Okay, and he got the head. Who will win? A. But we don't want to consider this part. We want to find probability that B wins. Okay, so I'll not consider this. Okay, so suppose A starts, A get the tail and B get the head. Who will win? B will win. Right now? Now, this is one possibility. Right? Now, second possibility. Suppose A get tail, B also get tail. Again, A will get the chance. Now, if A get the head, A wins. So, we don't want to consider that. So, again, A should get the tail. And now, if B get head, he will win. आ रहा है समझ में या नहीं? तीसरी possibility, A getting head, B getting head. Again, A getting head. थोड़ा सा कौन हे केलेगा म्यूट करा जरा. हाँ. A get the tail, B again get the tail. Again A get the tail, now B get the head, B wins, and now so on. Tail, 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 tail. B also get the tail, A also get the tail, B get the head, and so on. And what are their probabilities? Probability of getting tail is half, probability of getting head is half, so 1/2 square. Next probability. Probability of getting tail 1/2, again 1/2, again 1/2, again 1/2. So 1/2 raised to 4. Next probability 1/2, 1/2, 6 times. So 1 upon 2 raised to 6. Next is 1 upon 2 raised to 8, and now so on. Okay, this game will go on infinitely. Okay, so probability that B wins is 1 upon 2. This is first possibility, or this is the second possibility, or this is the third possibility, and so on. Getting everyone? This is
Yes, sir.
geometric series, like this: AR, AR square, and so on. What is A here? 1 upon 2 square, that is 1 upon 4. And what is R? Difference between any two. 1 upon 2 raised to 6 divided by 1 upon previous number, 1 upon 2 raised to 6. So 1 upon 2 square, that is 1 upon 4. And what is sum? Sum is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. So 1 upon 4 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 divided by 3 by 4. So 1 upon 3 is the probability that B wins. समझ में आएगा सबको ये प्रॉब्लम? नहीं है तो you ask me. If you are not understood, let me know. आ गया समझ में?
शेवट में था.
हाँ?
शेवट
सम समजलं क्या ही?
शेवटी घोळ झाला.
शेवटी समजलं.
नाही.
अच्छा, तेच की कोणता पार्ट समजला?
Geometric.
From here?
Geometric series.
Geometric series simple now. This is geometric series, right? And sum of the geometric series is 1 upon 1 minus R. हा फॉर्म्युला फक्त लक्षात ठेवायचा. Now A is the first number, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 2. Now how to find the R? हे दोन डिवाइड कर ना, R येईल ना. A R square divided by AR. A will cancel, R will cancel, R will remain. That is what I have done here. ठीक है? Division of any two numbers, that will give the R. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll stop here. Let me take the attendance.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubt is there? Let me know. 1, roll number 1. Absent. 1 is absent. 2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5. 6.
6 present, sir.
Okay. 7.
7 present, sir.
8.
8 present, sir.
9. Absent. 10. Absent. 11.
11 present, sir.
12. 12.